Hey guys, we're here at Universal and we have checked into Dockside, which is a value category resort. It's first time staying here, and I'm actually here on a familiarization trip, so I don't have Lily here as my assistant, so please don't miss her too much. This is a great size room. Very, very bright, feels very, very open. Great theming. Like, I can really see relaxing when we're done with the parks later. Definitely someplace I'd like to sleep. We've got some storage at the bedside here. Great themed artwork. Another queen size bed. We're on the 8th floor and we got a pretty nice view from here. We can look down at the pool. This resort has 2 of them. And it's got a great pool bar over there. Can't wait to go hang out. Television, desk with outlets on top for those of us who work while we're traveling. That's always very handy. More storage here. Small refrigerator. Your coffee service. This room can connect to the room next to it, so there are connecting options here if we have a larger family. We have a closet area here. And we have the bathroom. What I love about this is the sink is separate from the toilet and the shower, which is really helpful when you're getting ready. In the morning, a couple of people can do their hair while somebody else is taking a shower. You got your towels and linens, hand soap, and you also have some toiletries available for the shower, or you can pack your own if that's your preference. It's a really comfortable space, nice and big, definitely room to spread out. Definitely someplace I think you would enjoy for your next stay when visiting Universal. Have a good one, guys.